Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for October 8th to 22nd. First, going to talk about the tropics. More importantly, we're going to talk first about Delta. And this is the current position today as of 2 p.m. And it is at 16.1 north, 79.2 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 60 miles per hour. And movement is towards the west at 7 miles per hour. As per the National Hurricane Center, Tropical Storm Delta is forecast to strengthen to at least a Category 1 hurricane, could be more, and accelerate between the subtropical ridge of the southeast and Tropical Storm Gamma. Okay, we're going to take a look at these at the charts. Let me see if I got right. Okay. Okay, here's Gamma. Here's a subtropical ridge that would be building across the east. We'll take a look at the surface, and this is the ridge that would be building across the southeast, right here. So that will be moving here, and over the southeast and Tropical Storm Gamma before possibly recurving northward, either being absorbed by Gamma or its remnants being riding around its southern periphery on the southeast side. The National Hurricane Center calls for Delta. We'll take a look at Delta. Okay, Delta's right here. To move inland over the central Gulf Coast states on Friday, and then continue to track north-northeast, spreading heavy rain across the Gulf Coast states, the Tennessee Valley, into the Appalachians and the Mid-Atlantic region over the weekend. And we'll take a look at that at the models here. Okay, here's the GFS. Here's let me see, I got to keep it straight now because a couple of storms. Okay, here's Delta here. This is Friday, moving in. Gamma will probably just meander around wherever around the Gulf Coast. And then you can see how it lifts east-northeastward and bring some rain to the middle line. Doesn't seem to be as heavy as according to the GFS. I think the heaviest rain, according to the GFS, would be in the Tennessee Valley. And then we'll look at the European ensembles. That also has the heaviest rain, maybe a little bit further to the south. And then we'll look at the European, this is European ensembles, that's the deterministics. Here's the European ensembles. And it kind of keeps the heaviest rain across the southeast. So this is a lot that has to be a lot going on, and it'll be continued to be monitored. And this system will bring strong winds, storm surge, and coastal flooding will impact the Gulf Coast as Delta draws near. We'll have a trough that'll be moving into the northwest. See it right there, into the northwest here. And this will bring cooler temperatures along the west coast and into the Great Basin by Sunday. And we're at Saturday. Here's Sunday. Snow will be possible in the highest elevations. That's the GFS. Here's the European. And this will bring an increase of precipitation through the week. So that's good news for the west, getting cooler temperatures and much needed rainfall. Okay, here's a look. We're going to look at the period for October 13th to 17th. And the pattern is forecast to be more of a zonal flow. We have a ridge here over the southeast above Numa Heights in the east. Here's our trough into the northwest. And you take a look at the European ensembles. It's more amplified with a deeper trough and a deeper ridge. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for portions of the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 degrees, at least 2 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures forecast for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here with the trough, and also around this area here due to the tropical systems, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking at the period for October 18th to 22nd, flow doesn't really change very much overall. Still have a ridge in the west, trough in the east, a trough in the west, ridge in the east. And again, the European ensembles remain the most amplified. So this is what we're forecasting. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for a little change in the temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, let me get to, calling for above normal precipitation for the West Coast and the East Coast states. Probability of occurrence is 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And again, looking at the latest, we'll look at the different hurricane models. Let me see. Okay, here's Gamma, latest 16.1 north, 72.2 west, and movement is towards the north. It's towards the west at 7. Then we'll take a look at Gamma. Here's the latest advisory, and this is at 22.3 north, 87.9 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles per hour, and movement is towards the southwest at 3. It's barely moving. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for October 8th to 22nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.